morning guys, Mark here, Myrtle Beach Generators. We're back out here in Prince Creek doing a 24kw Generac generator installation. So today we're going to get Devin on the gas, and he's going to also be recording so you can kind of see how we build our lines. Let's get to it. Check out Generac's new ATS. So it comes with the surge protector built into the ATS already, which is kind of cool. And on this cover plate, there's a little sight hole so you can see the status light of the surge protector itself. So that's a cool little upgrade that Generac came out with. Thanks, Generac.